What's going on, you guys? Matthew here, back with another video. And today we are now eating here at King B Chinese restaurant. Okay guys, we just ordered our food, and just like last time, I ordered their salt and pepper spare ribs. Okay guys, so our food just arrived. Right over there is the bird's nest soup. Over here is the lohan chai. Over here is the fish fillet with butter and corn. Over here is the yang chow fried rice. And over there is the salt and pepper spare ribs. Alright guys, let's now try their food. First, let's get the yang chow fried rice. Now let's get the salt and pepper spare ribs. Let's now try it, guys. Here's the ribs, look at that. That ribs is actually really good. It's really tender. It's also very crispy. Look at the ribs.